Hello, today we are going to be graphing the quiz problem x plus y is greater than 6 and x minus y, greater than or equal to 6 and x minus y is greater than or equal to 4. So the first step, in our first paragraph, we want to find x and y values for the very first equality. So from here we will say x equals 0, or if x equals 0 then y has to equal 6, right? So we've got our first point 0, 6. Now if y equals 0, then what does x have to equal? X has to equal 6 again, so we have our first sort of system, not very neat. We have our first system of equations, we have our first 2 points. Sorry, I'm a little tired today, first thing in the morning, so we've got 6 and 0.
I have no idea what number.
So now we can graph our very first line. So we've got 0 and 6, so 0 across and 6 up, and then 6 across and 0 up, and we get a nice line that looks something like this. So there's our first line. Now we want to find our second line. So if x minus y is greater than or equal to 4, if x equals 0, then y, since it's negative y has to equal negative 4, because the negative and the negative turn the 4 into a positive, right? So then we have, if y equals 0, then x has to equal 4 because it's still a positive, so x minus 0 equals 4, x equals 4. So we've got 2 more points now, which are 0, negative 4, and 4, 0. So we will graph that over here. 0, negative 4, 4 across, 0 up, and we have 2 lines. But now we want to figure out where is the answer going to lie. It could lie here, 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 here. It could lie in any of these sections. It could lie all the way up here, down here. It could lie anywhere. So we want to find out exactly, or not exactly, but an area where it'll always end up. So what we do is we want to create test points, really. So we have x plus y is greater than 6, greater than or equal to 6. Wow, Ben, great cameraman right there. Now, if it's greater than or equal to 6, I'm going to choose the point 6, 6, just to be up here. And hopefully we should be shading up this way. If not, we'll get some weird answer. But 6 plus 6 is greater than or equal to 6. Is it? Or is 12 greater than or equal to 6? Yes, because 12 is greater than 6. So we shade up. Yeah. So we're shading upwards above the line. Now we want to find out what we do with the other line. So I'm thinking x minus y is greater than or equal to 4. I'm just going to randomly choose negative 3, 3. Seems like a fun place to do. So we have negative 3, positive 3 minus negative 3 is greater than or equal to 4. So let's not forget that the negative and the negative turn into a positive, so 3 plus 3, is that greater than or equal to 4, is 6 greater than or equal to 4, Yes. So we shade. Sorry. Yes. So we shade down. There we go. So shading down, and we can see that the shaded areas intersect in this area here. So we shade in here. Just like that. And sorry, it's not very neat, but anyway. And one more thing before I go. I forgot to label the lines. So we want to label our first line, x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. X plus y is greater than 6. And then x minus y, up here, x minus y is greater than or equal to 4. And so this is what our answers should look like. So we've got our graph here. We've solved to each of the two inequalities, sorry. We checked, we graphed everything, and we found the area of feasibility, which is, this area here. So area of feasibility. There we go. So that's our final answer. Thanks for watching.